Behind me, we've got the 43 Frankenstein truck that we showed you in last episode. This is a chassis that my dad designed here. There's a lot of things that are just tacked on here right now, so we've got to go through and finish weld this entire chassis. He's going to be working on cutting out some gussets or flanges so that we can get stuff braced up on here. And then we'll be swapping throughout the video. I'll teach you some welding techniques or things that help me while I'm welding, and here we go. Like I said, most things on this frame are tacked into place and ready to go. They just need to be solid welded. For things like this is just a little brace bar my dad's got in here to kind of fill a gap. So it doesn't need to be solid welded. It's nothing structural. What we're going to do is run a 2-inch bead every few inches here. I'll figure that out in just a minute. But doing this on the back side, we'll do opposite stitch welds. And that'll give this bar full strength on here, even though it's nothing structural. But that way you don't have to run a solid bead, warp any of the metal, and you won't have any problems like that by doing the stitch weld on one side, and then on the opposite, you do it in between your gaps. So I'll show you that when it's finished. All right, we have the top side of the frame chassis all welded together, gusseted. This is all stitch welded like I had talked about a little bit ago. So we're gonna go ahead and flip the frame over now. We got a couple more little gussets we gotta do and finish weld the stuff on the bottom side, and it should be good to go. Alright, to get a nice pretty weld like that, we're going to try putting the camera behind one of our welding hoods so that we can see if it'll show you what the nozzle's doing while I weld, and then you can lay down some butter like that. majority of the welding is done. Dad's gonna have his work cut out for him, making some more gussets and doing a little bit more finish welding, grinding just to finish things up and make everything look smooth. But we're heading in the right direction with this. Not sure what we're gonna do for next episode. Maybe if it's nice enough we can get the 56 out, or maybe we'll be working on this. So just stay tuned and we'll see you next week.